The Ocean Club Key Biscayne is the finest residential oceanfront resort in South Florida. It is very well located on the eastern shore of Key Biscayne. The Ocean Club offers exceptional amenities such as 9 pools, a clubhouse with gourmet restaurants, a gym, spa, tennis and more. Have beach access all year round. The finest in South Florida. The unit we want to show you is a lake villa apartment at the Ocean Club, one located in 725 Crandon Blvd. The elevator opens directly to the welcoming private entrance foyer of the property. Open the door and walk into this ample social area leading to the balcony with an amazing water view. A spacious family room. And a full kitchen that offers a generous island and plenty of storage space. And includes a breakfast nook with a water view. Imagine enjoying these beautiful and relaxing views from your grand balcony. Imagine this as part of your life. Gorgeous views in the unit with the best orientation. Walk into the large master bedroom also with water views and spacious his and hers closets. And then an ample master bathroom that complements with luxury and comfort. This apartment has a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 complete bathrooms. The second bedroom also has a balcony with garden views. The Ocean Club is located only 20 minutes away from the Miami International Airport in South Beach. And now imagine living in this oceanfront paradise. And choose the best of Florida in Key Biscayne.